we're going to be going on the train. Because we kind of went on the we want to defeat Eggman. We went to defeat Eggman, so now we kind of we're taking the train back. We're taking the okay, guys. We gotta take the train. We gotta take the train. Thank you. Morning already. Okay. Do I shout outside the plane? Why shout outside the train? Okay, but I gotta wait till Shao gets in and gets on the turret. So, what happened? Yeah! Hey, Shao! Swing! Dang shit! That's run to the town! I just wanna. So can I help after you kill all the zombies? My co-host. I'm gonna store some zombies for some peel later. Yeah, I'll use them as train. I guess I'll stay in the train now. I'll at least try my best to. I'll just put. Wait, is that it? Wait, do we still have to kill the rest of the zombies? I can snipe. Oh, I'm gonna hide now. I gotta hide. Yeah, I gotta hide in the train now. Wait, where's Shadow? Uh-oh. I fell out. Okay, wait. Okay. Where's Shadow? Did he die? I think he died. If he... Okay. We're just waiting for you to get... You're in the train? advantages. Yeah. Once I go in for the morning time, we'll go kill Sonic away a bit. They're gonna come ahead and revive you. Right after, when it's actually morning time, we're going to come and like grab your corpse. Okay, go. If there's still zombies, we'll just hit them. Okay. Wait, Sonic, stop. Heal. Wait, can I just normally revive? Here's your inventory. Guys, look through the houses. Look through the houses. There's a zombie. I'll kill him. Guys, do we have a code? I found a vault. I found a vault. In here. Whoa. I want to find something to put in my inventory real quick. Ammo. Okay, I found some revolver ammo. Okay. Okay, I'll bring it to you. I'll bring it to you. It's right here. Here's the ammo. Here's the ammo. Anything else we find? Oh wait, you finally opened the vault? Actually, I have some. Okay, let's go. Wait, there's one more bar? Oh, money. Collect. A bank? Okay. Lose what? No. No. What? Oh, that what it. What does the snake oil even do? Oh. Guys, would store some zombies and use it for fuel. Okay, I put all my zombies in there. Yeah. Shout, tell me when you're on your turret. Tell me when you're on the turret. Oh, just still get on it. Still get on the turret, so that way you can stay on the train. And are you on the? Are you on it? We still have like full ammo. I mean, we still have like full. We still have full fuel. The oh wait, the next town. The next town. Okay, wait. We're in the village. We're in the village. It's stopping. It's slowing down very slowly. I'm not doing anything. The train does it by itself. Remember, we don't take each other's stuff. Yeah. So I'm gonna wait for y'all to do it, and then y'all leave. No, let's wait for one of us, for Shadow to finish, and then one of us will do it. Yeah. What can we do with these wolf cords? What? Wait, what? Put this on the train? Okay. I don't know where to put it on the train. Which part of the train? Genuinely, which part of the train, though? Yeah, which part of the train? Which part of the train do I take? Do I put it on the? Do I put it on the front? Do I put it on the? Okay. Okay, but I gotta sell my stuff now. I still probably need some. I at least need to buy a gun because I need a gun to protect myself. But why do I gotta keep buying bandages? But what? Okay. I don't want to buy bandages. I'll buy like a one bandage because I still need to protect myself and I need to buy some ammo. Okay. I'll buy. Okay, I'm okay. Okay, I'm gonna buy. I'll buy at least. I'll buy at least two. I'll buy some bandages. I'll buy some. Okay, got some Okay. Okay, I bought some bandages. Guys, okay, guys, I bought some bandages. Guys, I bought some bandages. Guys, I bought 2 bandages. I bought 2 more bandages. Because I still want to buy a gun. Do I buy the shotgun? Okay, I'm picking up the gun. And now I'm gonna get some shotgun ammo. Don't steal my shotgun ammo. Okay, I collected mine. I still have some more. I still got some more money. So I can maybe... Ooh. Oh, that... thank you. Oh. I'll see how expensive this is. What? I can afford it. Pick up. Now the cannon, the bull. Ew, I don't have enough for the bullets though. I bought a shotgun though. I'll buy at least one more. I'll buy at least some more ammo from the shotguns. Okay, yeah. I'm spending the rest of my ammo. I'm spending the rest of my money on ammo too. Collect. Oh, that's probably mine. That's mine, I'm pretty sure. Because I accidentally lost one of my silvers while I was trying to spend the money. So I think that's pretty much... I think that's my silver. Where's the silver? Because I think that actually is my silver. Okay, there... I guess I can buy 2 more. Okay, now I can buy 2 more bandages. I got a shotgun. Up there. It's up there. It's just Ooh, I found the wolf corpse. I found some wolf corpse. Okay. Maybe we should sacrifice the wolves and burn them. Okay, I'll buy some coal. Wait, I'm real quick gonna buy some coal. For backup, I bought some coal. To be honest, I bought some coal. I bought some coal for some backup. Where's the crucifix? Oh. Okay, let's go. Are y'all on the turret? Okay, let's go. Yeah, next time let's just wait a few minutes, like a few minutes. So that way we can grind up on money. Okay, the train's stopping. What the zombie? Okay, so we're gonna wait until the zombies are gone. Guys, get in here. Because we're playing tonight. Get into the night. Let's wait. Just wait. Just wait because you're going. No. No, we're gonna go to the castle. The zombies, all the roofs. Don't get on the chair. They can hit you from the chair. Don't. Okay, guys, just wait. We're going to wait. I don't have a choice. Guys, it's daytime. We can leave the train. Let's go to the castle and stuff. What the? Western? Guys, I hear Western music. Where are you? Where's that Western music coming from? Oh. Yeah, I got shells stacking up. Okay, I guess we'll stack them on archers. Guys, there's a bandage in the death row. Let me grab it. Okay. Ooh. Guys, I found a cross. I'm picking up a crossbow. He's here. He's stuck! He's like stuck now. Oh, wow. We kind of gotta still move around a bit. He killed himself? He killed himself. I am! Guys! Where are you? Oh, there you go. Look, I'm healing. Guys! The boss! Right here! I killed him. I clutched. I'm gonna heal myself real quick. Guys, I gotta heal myself. I'm healing myself real quick. I'm healing myself. Like, I got damaged. I got hurt so much. Yeah? There's coal. Wait, guys, go to every place. Go to every place real quick. We need to check what. I'm gonna take some archers to sell. Yeah. Oh, guys, we gotta hurry. Zombies. Zombies. Hurry. I'm going to the train. Go off the. I'm outside. Guys, I might be. No, I didn't die. I'm on top of the mountain. I'm on the mountain. Oh, we gotta get in the house? Does that mean zombies not gonna spawn? Are zombies gonna spawn? I'm hiding. I'm coming. I almost got struck by lightning. I did not know. I thought it was nighttime. Okay. Wait, but I have one too. Okay. I have two. Oh, I found a bandage. Wait, guys. I just took an item. I took an item. Guys. Okay. Oh. Finally, son, you're awake. Anyways, let's go. Let's explore the other houses. I do. Oh, I found some more snake oil. In the red house. In the red house, there's more snake oil. Yeah, but I have like 2 already. I'm finding a lot of bandage. Guys, I'm finding a lot of bandages. Wait. Don't take my stuff, but I got like don't take what the can't unstore. I'm lagging. Dude. What happened? Head. Dang. Oh my. Ow. Let's get back to the cave. One. What? Right, it just I can't sprint, so yeah. I can't sprint. Anyways. Okay, guys, ready? Are y'all in your Okay, are y'all in your positions? Oh yeah, I forgot you are. Okay? Okay. I stopped the train. Eight 8 p.m. Okay, do we keep going? Do we keep going? Okay. Oh wait. Oh, we keep going. We keep going. Wait, where are we gonna go? Oh, that's vampires. That means vampires. Okay, I know that. Let's hope. Okay, wait. Do we go now? I don't have a weapon. Dude, I keep drive. Okay, so do not drive at all. Huh? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, I did. Yeah. Anyways, let me get most of some stuff. I kind of remember. I kind of don't have. I found. I found a. I found guys. I saw the note that said that. I don't have it. I don't have it. There's people down. There's something. There's dark places. Dude, guys, help! There's the sword. Oh wait, no sword. Oh, okay. I'll use lagging. I'm out of ammo. Yeah, I can't do anything. I'm out of bullets. Guys, I'm just. I think I gotta leave the place. But I'm getting chased. I got no more bullets. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. It's full. Like my ammo's out. But there's stuff. There's stuff. Yeah, there's everything spawning in there. Like I can't even do anything. Like I'm getting low. I still have to heal and stuff. They're catching up to me. I don't have any snake oil. Yeah, but still. I don't. Yeah, but I'm gonna get killed. I got no ammo. can't sprint. Yeah, my sprint's broken. I can't sprint. I'm dead. They're hitting me. I can't sprint. Uh, what happened? Wait, I remember. I remember trying to getting bit by getting attacked by a zombie. Guys, I remember. We almost got killed by a zombie. And anyways, let's get out of the hospital. I remember. Ooh, a food area, the cafeteria. Well, we might as well eat. Shout the wrong way over here. Well, yeah, we'll do revenge, but we'll do that for another video, guys. So make sure to like. And 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 also ring the bell to turn on that notification, so you will get notified for when we post more videos. Bye, guys.